Hello all, I am Dr. Gayatri, an educational therapist. I am the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today we are going to discuss about decodable books. What exactly are these decodable books? These are the books which contain words with phonic elements which the child already knows. This is the main feature of a decodable books. These are especially beneficial for the beginning readers. It gives them the confidence that I can read the book by myself. And the text will be very simple and the meaning will also be very easy to understand by the kid by themselves. So this is a decodable book. I'll give you an example like how the words look in a decodable book. Sam is a fat rat. The rat sat. So if you see, if the kid already knows all the sound letter correspondences for the consonants, for the letter S, S, M, all these sounds if the kid already knows, and there's only one vowel there, A, the sound is A. So if the kid knows these consonants and the vowel sound for A, it is easy for them to read. And there's only one high frequency word, the word the. If the kid already knows this word, or there would be only very few side words introduced in each book along with these decodable words. So it would be easy for the kid to read also. That's why it gives them confidence, because the kid can read the whole sentence by themselves and they can understand also, as it is very simple and easy to understand for the kid. So why decodable books play a major role? Decoding automaticity is a valuable asset for the reader. That gives them the confidence they can read more and they can be easily reading many bigger words and everything. So decoding is very important skill, and it also gives a practice opportunity for the kid. The kid would have learned these sounds, but we need them to practice it more. We can't be giving only the words and asking them to read again and again. If it is made in a story form, if the kid is reading by themselves, that gives an interest and curiosity for the kid to learn more sounds and more words. How to choose decodable book? The first thing, as I said, it should contain all the words with phonic elements which the kid knows. The second thing is, choose books according to the kid's interest also, so that kid likes to read that book. Then whenever you start with a book, do a picture walk first. That is, just sit with the kid and just show them the pictures alone. So just move the pages and show them the pictures, what is there. So the kid will start getting an interest in the story. Some kids start reading the story. Some kids start saying the story. They like to say the story by themselves. Then we can say them, come, let's read the book now. So that we'll check out whether whatever you have said is also there in the book, or maybe it has got a different ending or a different context. We'll see it out. That makes the curiosity of the kid to read the book together. The kid will start reading the decodable book by themselves. So this is like an added advantage, always taking a picture walk in the beginning of the book. My suggestions for decodable books are Bob books, Spawn books, Spy Readers, Dog on a Log books. Thank you all. Have fun with reading.